In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix out-of-sync subtitles in VLC Media Player. This is a super common issue, especially when you're watching downloaded videos, movies, or TV shows where the subtitles don't quite match the audio. The good news is, VLC has built-in tools that let you fix subtitle timing in just a few seconds without installing anything extra. I'll walk you through both the manual adjustment method and the quick keyboard shortcut method, so you can choose what works best for you. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. All right, let's get started. First, go ahead and open VLC Media Player on your computer and start playing the video that has the out-of-sync subtitles. Make sure your subtitle file is already loaded and visible on the screen so you can see the timing issue clearly while the video is playing. Once the video is playing, look at the top menu bar and click on Tools. From the Tools menu, select Track Synchronization. On some versions of VLC, this might be called Effects and Filters, and then you'll want to go to the Synchronization tab. Either way, this will open a window with several timing controls. In this window, look for the section labeled Subtitle Track Synchronization. This is the setting that controls whether your subtitles appear earlier or later compared to the audio. Now, this part is important. If your subtitles are appearing too early, meaning the text shows up before the dialogue is spoken, you'll want to delay them. To do that, enter a positive number, like 0.5, which represents half a second. You can start small and increase the value if needed. On the other hand, if your subtitles are appearing too late, meaning the dialogue happens first and the text shows up afterward, you'll want to advance the subtitles. In this case, enter a negative number, such as -0.5, to bring the subtitles forward in time. After entering your value or adjusting the slider, click Close and watch the video for a few moments to see if the subtitles are now synced properly. You can reopen the Track Synchronization window and fine-tune the value until everything lines up perfectly. Now, if you want an even faster way to fix subtitle timing while the video is playing, VLC also has keyboard shortcuts. If your subtitles are appearing too late, press the G key on Windows or the J key on Mac. Each press will move the subtitles forward by about 50 milliseconds. If your subtitles are appearing too early, press the H key to push them back in time by 50 milliseconds per press. These shortcuts are great for quick adjustments without opening any menus, especially if the sync is only slightly off. Once the subtitles match the audio, you're all set. VLC will remember the timing adjustment for that video during playback. And that's it. You now know how to fix out-of-sync subtitles in VLC Media Player using both menu options and keyboard shortcuts. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.